commercial break for Berwin Mayley, di ba?
Tuloy-tuloy lang.
Tuloy-tuloy lang.
Kanyang sa treadmill na yan. Nagiging tourist attraction na nga siya, lahat ng mga nandito sa GMA. Nagpapapicture kay Berwin. At ever since the show started, if you just tuned in, tumatakbo na po si Berwin ng walang humpay hanggang
Halos
ngayon.
2 oras nang tumatakbo si Berwin at halos lahat ng guests natin ay nagpa-picture na sa kanya, di ba, Pia?
Yes.
But before we say the results, I know you have someone to greet.
Yes, just like Berwin, birthdays have to go on. Si Lolita Franco, nag-birthday ngayon. Happy birthday, Senator Cheese Escudero. Si Pit Pit Lo, all of these coming from Mr. Riquilo. Happy birthday to all
Happy
of you.
birthday to all of you. And here we go. It is time to find out his official time. Ang official time ni Berwin Mayley, manggagaling mismo sa ating expert na si Jam. Jam, what's the official time?
His official time is 2 hours, 5 minutes, and 54 seconds.
Wow! More than 2 hours na.
16.8 kilometers. And he was able to burn 748 calories.
Wow!
748 calories lang? Parang isang cheeseburger lang yun.
Pero grabe, 2 oras na yun. Ibig sabihin talagang hindi siya nag-drugs. Kasi for me, ako nag-drugs ka, you won't have that kind of, di ba?
That kind of stamina.
And as promised, last part na natin to. Kaya Berwin, pwede bang tumigil ka na?
Yes.
Yun naman ang challenge namin
Pwede ka
sa'yo.
na tumigil. Congratulations, Berwin. Pumunta ka na dito, pero gusto ko, patalikod ang takbo mo paakyat ng stage.
Oh my gosh, Berwin.
Grabe, Berwin. Congratulations.
Let's ask him a few questions. Berwin, is this the longest
Join us here.
you've ever ran in your whole life?
Actually, hindi po. Kahapon, 99 kilometers na yung in a week na takbo ko. So, plus 16, hindi ko na alam paano i-add.
Wow.
In a week. Pero may longest run was 32 kilometers. That's
In one day.
3 hours. Yeah, that's 1 day. 32 kilometers, Antipolo, Sumulong Highway, 3 hours and 32 minutes.
And how do you feel?
Oo, ang pagkatapos ng challenge ito, kasi kanina during commercial break, kinakausap pa natin siya ng casual, parang hindi siya napapagod.
Yeah, actually, sa totoo lang, marami pong runners na Pilipino na mas kaya pang higitan to. And yun ang mga idol talaga natin. Ako lang, nagpapagamit lang ako bilang isang artista para maging ehemplo sa lahat na nanonood ngayon na exercise po ang kailangan natin sa buhay.
Yes, you serve as a personal inspiration to me.
Opo.
Thank you for being here, Berwin.
Pero sa totoo lang, trivia lang mula kay Berwin, ha, sa lahat ng celebrities, isa siya sa pinakamabilis. Ha, totoo yan, di ba?
Wow.
Ikaw may pinakamabilis na time.
Wow.
Kinukwento mo sa akin. Gusto mo sabihin ko sino tinatalo mo? Wag na, okay?
Oy, name drop mo na sino ba yung mga celebrities na tinatalo ni Berwin sa race?
Ayaw niyang ipasabi.
Mamaya ibulong mo sa amin, ha?
Oo, pero
Ito ang
tinalo
pwede
niyo
natin
yun.
ipaalam dahil meron isa pa tayong hamon kay Berwin. Ang drug test na pinagdaanan niya kanina. Narito na po sa aking kamay ang resulta. Berwin, handa ka na bang malaman? Medyo may kaba-kaba ng kaunti.
Eh, sa layo ng tinakbo ko, parang wala na. Kahit ano na yan.
Hindi, kasi ito talaga yung punot dulo ng issue na to, eh. Diba? Na pumayat si Berwin, marami nagsasabi, droga ba ito? Finally, ito po ang mga kasagutan. Nasa kamay na po ni Miss Pia Guanyo. Pia, please read the results.
I got it in a sealed envelope from the medical center.
Ay, nako,
mismo.
nako. Positive! Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Tama po ang inyong hinala. Si Berwin Mayley po ay negative
Negative. Let's show
sa
them.
drugs. Let's show the camera.
Ayan po ang resulta mula mismo
Kaya ba?
sa mga ekspertong gumawa ng drug test kanina lamang. Ayan po, negative ang resulta ng drug test ni Berwin Mayley. Ibig sabihin, walang katotohanan ng mga intrigang binabato sa'yo. Anong reaction mo dito, Berwin?
Well, of course, ako po'y talaga natutuwa kasi minsan naapektuhan din ako kasama ng pamilya ko. Pero okay lang kasi alam naman natin ang totoo. Ganun pa man, maraming salamat po. Showbiz Central. Thank you
There
very
you
much,
go.
GMA.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you for being game to do this.
Thank you. Yes, anytime. Next time, mas matagal naman, mas malayo naman. Doon
Kasi
tayo
nung
sa labas.
tinanong nila ako, dinecline ko talaga. So sabi ko si Berwin na lang.
Kaya mo yan, Mon. Guys, okay lang i-promote ko yung mga races
Go
ko.
for it.
Okay, yung Pink Run po, Breast Cancer Awareness yan, October 17, andyan po ako, 15K. King of the Road, October 24, I'll be running and I'll be getting my personal record, 10K run. Run United, November 21, 32K po tatakbuhin ko. Corregidor International Half Marathon, 21K po yan sa Corregidor Island. December 19, Condura Marathon, 42K, Feb 7, that's
Ay, my
next year.
friends organizing that.
Yeah, and Dream Marathon, 42K also. That's back-to-back. February and March. Bira po nakakagawa nun. And I'll try my best to do that. And San Francisco Half Marathon, April 2011.
Grabe, busy.
And thank you po, Axel, Rudy Project, David Salon Valley Fair, Brick Road Fitness Gym, McCoy's Car Wash, and Bench. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Pakalakpakan po natin Baron Mayley. Grabe ang pinagdaanan ngayong hapon na ito para lang ma-prove talaga ang mga intrigang yan, di ba?
At para,
Batiin ko lang po yung #1 supporter ko tsaka yung dietitian ko, my wife, Maps.
Yun.
I love you. Thank you sa mga food natin, mga healthy stuff. And my son, Iko. I love you, anak.
Thank you also to our fitness expert Jam and sa Red Cross QC chapter for being here. We would like to thank Olympic Outlet for lending us the treadmill. Thank you so much. And thanks to ACR Furniture, La Seria, Art Circle Gallery, Illuminati Technique, and IDEO Contract for our furniture. All right.
and Show Miss Sandra, we'll be right back. Stay tuned.